Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Geeta Hair. I'm showing you guys their super full body wave wig. This wig is 250% density, and they are marketing this lace to be HD. I actually have the 6x4 lace closure in this one, but if you are a frontal girly, they do have a 13x6 option available as well. Now this lace closure does come pre-plucked and it does come pre-cut as well. I have my own opinions about that, but we'll talk about that when we get there. What I do like is that installing this wig was actually pretty quick and easy. I'm in love with the texture of this hair, and I'm also in love with the fullness of this hair. That is going to be our main focus. Like, look how beautiful she is. This wig is 100% human hair, and she is currently on sale for a good $199. So hop on it if you can. Let's go ahead and start off with an unboxing. They sent a beautiful brochure that also has some coupons, some lashes, an elastic band, and of course some HD wig caps. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this beautiful texture. The body wave texture is gorgeous. The lace again does come pre-plucked and pre-cut. The inside of the wig has the adjustable elastic band and the combs as well. And just remember that this lace closure size is a 6x4. I'm going to start off with adding some foundation all over this lace. Now, even though they are promoting this lace to be HD, in my personal opinion, she was giving very transparent. She was giving very white, and you guys know I do not like that. So I added as much foundation as possible on that lace. I went ahead and I threw her on as usual. Now, the wig cap did fit pretty snug. She was a really good fit, which I did appreciate, and she also fit very comfortably around my ears. I will be sticking with a middle part today because this wig is super long and I do not plan on cutting any type of layers in it. I want to keep it like this because I just find it to be beautiful. I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb as usual just to make sure I get all of the little hairs away from the lace. That way I can see what she's really looking like, and most importantly, make sure that the top of my wig is laying as flat as possible. So here is a close-up of this lace, you guys. I noticed that the lace was like folding upwards, so I am going to have to use some spray, unfortunately, to kind of lay this lace down. I don't know why she was doing that. The one thing that I did notice also is that they cut this lace so close to that hairline that it almost doesn't look like she was pre-plucked. So what I would like to see in the future is that they actually either leave a little bit more lace on or they pluck some more if they're going to cut this close to the hairline, because otherwise it could look pretty bold and it looks pretty clockable. Like, someone could look at you and be like, you're definitely wearing a wig. But we're gonna slay her either way though, okay? So I added my spray to make sure the lace is laying nice and flat, and then I used my elastic band and left her on. Then I went in and added some foundation to help that lace blend in with my skin color a lot better. Okay, so she's looking better already. Now, I thought about adding some baby hairs, but I decided not to. We're just going to leave her pretty simple today. So I wanted to keep the original texture of this hair. I did not want to add layers. I didn't want to add crazy curls, but I did want to refresh the hair. So I just grabbed my curling wand and then I just grabbed some pretty full pieces. I want to say the amount of hair that I grabbed was pretty thick, again, because I just wanted to refresh her. I didn't want super small, tiny curls. So I just recurled the hair, but once I got towards the front, I did use my wax stick a lot more just to help with the flyaways. That is one thing that I noticed about this hair, is she did have a lot of flyaways. However, she did not have a smell. She did not have crazy amounts of shedding, but I will say that this hair did tangle quite a bit more than what I'm used to. It wasn't too bad, but I think because of how full it is and how long it is, I think that that was an issue. So just keep that in mind. So I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and honestly you guys, that's all I did, and we came back to this final look. As you can see, I didn't change too much of the hair. I just wanted to refresh her. I loved how she looked straight out the box. I love this body wave texture. It kind of reminds me of when you used to order some body wave bundles. It looked nice and fresh and shiny. The hair was very flowy and of course very, very, very full. She looked really pretty. I actually wore this out to work right afterwards and I got a lot of compliments on it. Everybody was loving it. So snatch this one up as soon as you can, because I do believe that that $199 price is only for a limited time. So if you're interested, make sure you grab her, okay? As always, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Everything will be listed in the description box as usual. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.